As we all are celebrating Easter on 4th April 2021, our mind is filled with lot of excitement and curious questions about Easter. Did you know how this festival has originated, why we celebrate it, and how the traditions of Easter egg hunt and Easter bunny associated with this festival? Let's try to explore this in today's video. So, first thing first, what is Easter Sunday? Easter is the most important Christian festival of the year. It is when Christians celebrate resurrection of Jesus Christ. The Bible says that Christ died on the cross on a day called Good Friday. According to the Bible, Jesus was then resurrected and came back to life on Easter Sunday. In the New Testament of the Bible, the event is said to have occurred 3 days after Jesus was crucified by Romans. Now, when is Easter celebrated? The date of celebration changes from year to year. The reason for this variation is that Easter always falls on the first Sunday after the first full moon following spring equinox. In 2021, the spring equinox occurred on March 20. The next full moon was Sunday, March 28. So the first Sunday after the full moon is April 4th. This is when the Easter is. Now, how the name Easter came? The naming of the celebration as Easter seems to go back to the name of pre-Christian goddesses in England, named Easter, the goddesses of spring. British monk Bede wrote that the month in which English Christians were celebrating the resurrection of Jesus had been called Easteromonath in Old English, referring to the goddesses of spring, Easter. Now, why do we have Easter eggs? A lot of us may chomp on chocolate eggs at Easter, but originally, eating eggs was not allowed by church leaders during the week leading up to Easter, as it is known as Holy Week. So, any eggs laid that week were saved and decorated to make them Holy Week eggs that were then given to children as gifts. This has now developed into tradition that many people enjoy today. Yes, Easter egg hunt. What's for the Easter bunny then? The story of Easter bunny is thought to have become common in the 19th century. Rabbits usually give birth to a litter of baby called kittens, so they became a symbol of new life. Legend has it that as the eggs are also a symbol of new life, egg hunt is also popularized tradition on Easter in welcoming new life. That is why some children might enjoy Easter egg hunts as a part of the festival. Bunnies aren't the animal traditionally associated with Easter in every country. In Switzerland, Easter eggs are delivered by cuckoo birds, and in part of Germany by foxes. In conclusion, we can say that each and every tradition associated with Easter celebration symbolizes the origin of new life. Even though that's resurrection of Jesus Christ, Easter eggs or Easter bunny. I hope guys, now we are clear about the facts and traditions associated with Easter. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.